Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia, and I would like you to join me for a typical lunchtime in the UK whilst I walk to the market to get some street food, which is my preferred choice for lunch. This market is called White Cross Street, and down here you can get a variety of street food, which is quite tasty and enjoyed by the general public, and especially by the office staff that would come to this area mainly between Mondays to Fridays. So street food in the UK is very interesting and varied. You get things like Vietnamese food, yum balls, which is Oriental in origins, all sorts. I particularly enjoy coming out for lunch um, and having myself a nice meal, often hot food. I don't really fancy sandwiches, really. So you can see here, that's your Buddha food van. hmm
Hola, señorita.
You'll have your typical coffee shops. Some of them serve all day breakfast. You'll have things like the pub, because here in the UK, people like to go to the pub for lunch, which may include or not include a glass of wine, some drinks, cider beers, chips, burger, that kind of thing. I'm a bit late today, so I might not be lucky to get food from my favorite food stall, but let's see what's there. And I am late because I had meetings, so what can I do? Huh? So this is um, the food area of White Cross Street Market in East Central London, and it's lunchtime. So come along with me for lunch. Yeah. So fish and chips is also a popular choice here in the UK. So this restaurant, for example, serves traditional fish and chips. Some people like salads, etc. Today, I think I'm gonna not go any further, and I'm actually just gonna choose something from this stall. Korean barbecue chicken, probably. Uh, Only tofu. Not for me today. Thank you. Me too. So only tofu, not what I wanted really. So I'll go down a bit further to see if I can get something else today. Yeah. So probably a bit of chicken for me today. I like katsu chicken. Do you still have food left? Good. So today, yeah, I think I'll have a bit of katsu chicken. Yeah. Yeah, can I have regular, please? Regular.
Do you want a cucumber so everything on it?
Yeah. Is that extra? Is it not? It's included, yeah? Included? Yeah, yeah, okay, 11, thanks. Thank you.
Please step in. You want
Oh, yeah, yeah. Ready?
to?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, all good. Thank you. Yeah, cheers. Hmm. Yes, please. Thank you. Those rice cookers are really big. How many liters do you reckon those hold? Big ones. How many liters do you think that is?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Meeting, sorry about that.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can take a fork. Oh, just a minute, please. Oh, you're a star. Thank you. Good day. All right, there's some massive rice cookers there. So yeah, typically on a day like this, it's autumn, so it can be really rainy and overcast, but spirits are still high, which is good. Yeah. So you can see families out with their pets, including the doggies, part of the family, really. Yeah. Well, that's lunchtime for me. I'll show you what I bought for lunch in a minute when I sit down to have it. Yeah. Just being a bit careful here, even though it's a food market. It's got a few bits of vehicular traffic still coming through, which can be quite a pain. So you'll have groups of friends going out for lunch from the office. Myself. Today I'm on my own. Normally I'm out with friends, but I'm late. They already ate. And I think later on we're meant to go to the pub for one of my colleagues' leaving drinks. She's moving on to a new job. That's the lunch scene for you. I've already bought my lunch. I don't want any of this food stuff. Yeah, should have bought that rice cooker, shouldn't I? Right. Yeah, you know, you have to be so careful. So you can't even get your nails done here. Doing a lunch break, but I'm not doing any nails today. I need food. I need to eat. Yeah. Oh, that was quick today. I got served really quickly because, as you can see, the majority of the lunch time crowd is gone. Well, yeah, I'll have my lunch now. You know, life is happening. This doggy doesn't want to walk. He must be tired. So funny. Yeah, so I'm just going to go back into my office and have my lunch. I'm having a heavy lunch today because I won't have dinner. Tell you that. Hang on. So let's get into this space. Cheers.